Hello friends, welcome to BMH Learning. This video is about Levinthal paradox. Levinthal's paradox is a thought experiment in the theory of protein folding. Cyrus Levinthal noted that because of the very large number of degrees of freedom in an unfolded polypeptide chain, the molecule has an astronomical number of possible conformations. Therefore, if a protein were to attain its correctly folded conformation by sequentially sampling all the possible conformations, it would require a time longer than the age of the universe to arrive at its correct native conformation. It is well known that proteins in solution can reliably fold from a random coil to a unique native conformation on a biological relevant timescale. So, the Levinthal's paradox is an apparent contradiction between the number of possible conformations for a protein chain and the fact that proteins can fold to their native conformation quickly. So what is the possible solution? Because of the paradox, it becomes obvious that the protein cannot sample conformation space in a random fashion. Instead, the protein samples this space in a way consistent with statistical mechanics. The probability of sampling a given conformation is weighed by the energy of the conformation. Currently, the generally accepted idea in the field of protein folding is to consider an energy landscape, where every possible conformation is represented by an energy value. This was all. Thanks for watching.